I am going to show you how to do the quick unboxing, then a wireless setup where we are going to connect it with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. So let's start with the unboxing. Next step is to switch on the printer. Press the power button once. Select the language on the display panel. Select the country of residence from this list. Next step is to click on the information button to start the setup process. Click on the manual setup. Click on the continue setup. Next step is to install the setup ink cartridges. Next step is to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So take the ink cartridge out of it. So this printer uses number 64 ink cartridge. Make sure you remove the orange seal from here, and you have to repeat the process for the black ink cartridge in the same way. And to install the ink cartridges, we have to simply open the ink cartridge chamber. So you will see there is a handle here on the both sides. So just lift the whole chamber. It will open the ink cartridge door, and ink cartridges will go this side here. It's very easy to install the ink cartridges in this printer. Simply place the black on the black side, color on the color side. So just place it here, push it with the thumb, it will lock. Do it for the coloring cartridge in the same way. Push it, it will lock here. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door by pressing the door down. Click OK button. Next step is to load the paper in the paper tray. Paper tray is at the bottom, so simply push it out, and you will see there is a tray for photos as well. So if you want to print photos later on, simply place the pages here. Now we close it and place the A4 size sheet here. You can adjust the size. Simply place here, make it tight and close the tray. Now go to the display panel and click OK button. Wait for the paper tray to come out itself. You do not have to take it out. And now you can see it's printing a page. Once this sheet is printed, we have to check if everything is okay. This is automatic calibration. We have to click OK on the display panel. Click on the More Info button. Select Advanced Setup. Now we are going to start the wireless setup of this printer. So click on the wireless button. It is searching for the wireless networks in its range. Select your wireless network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Click OK button. You will see the blue light will stay on once connection is set up. If you don't want to do the web services setup, simply click on the setup later. Select printer update options. Select continue. Select if you want to use it for home or business. Select the correct option for personal use. click OK. After completing the setup, you will see the main screen here. Now your printer is available on the Wi-Fi network. You can simply add this printer in your device, for example laptop, computer, using the HP Smart app, and then you can start the wireless printing and scanning. This printer also is capable of doing the multiple scannings. As you can see, there is a top feeder tray on the top here. Also, if you want to use it for scanning of passports, IDs, you can use the scanner. And it's very easy to connect the printer. It takes only few minutes to set up with the Wi-Fi network. Once it is connected, simply start using it, and the paper output tray is automatic. It will come out once you are going to print something. Thanks for watching.